Hi, I'm Saku with 1 Kilo Hotel, and I will tell you now about the new features of the test version 219 of cqrlog. Uh, there is a database change in this version. Actually, 217 was the first with the database change, so it's very important that you make a proper backup before trying these versions. There is not so big changes in the database, just contest columns have been added and info column for the memory of the rig control. But these changes affect to many places, and the biggest job has been done to different screens to take those database columns in use. And I want to thank Andreas DL7OAP, who has been a great help with this project. So let's open the cqrlog and see what the changes what have been made. First we take the contest form here, and we have a new box here called contest name, and you can type the contest name here, or you can select the name from the list. So afterwards it's easier to find out what was this contest that you were working. And the contest form has now a very simple duplicate check for call signs. It's based on the WSJTX procedures, and it checks a call sign if it's worked on the same band and the same mode before. So if you make a new log for every contest, it works out of the box. But if you are putting all the QSOs to the same log and you want this checking work, you have to change the setting of the FLDG WSJTX interface. There is a work before check status starts from, and you check the call here and put the date of the contest starting here. And after this the duplicate check will check call signs from this date on, not from the beginning of your log. But this is not necessary if you make a new log for every contest. But that's the choice if you use same log for everything. So these are the changes to the contest form. And when contest form is open, you can make the new QSO form a little bit wider, and you can see there are new fields here. And these are mainly if you have to edit the QSOs afterwards. So if you open the QSO list, you can see the new columns here, the contest name and the serial number sent and received, and message sent and received. And so if there is anything to change, probably the contest name is the one. Then you can take the QSO to edit and see that the contest name is here, and you can change it and save the QSO. And if you close the contest form, then those extra fields disappear from the new QSO, so you normally don't see those boxes there. There is also a new button here, auto size column wide, and it works like this. If you have a very narrow column here, and then you select this on, and go to edit QSO, save it, and now it will show the whole QTH. So this works when you add the new QSOs and got different sizes of name and QTH and everything. It will always keep the view so that you have the whole text invisible. But if you uncheck this and make the columns as wide as you like, they will keep the size. Like this, it will keep the size. So that is very handy if you like to make your own view, or you like to see everything what is written in a column. So that's the content side of the 219. Then there is a fix in the CV type and FX keys. In the FX keys, if you put the mouse cursor on the button, you can see from status line what will be the message sent out at the moment. So if we put the call sign here, like this, then the call and RST here is the call sign and the report. Same here, these buttons works in the same way. Now when you change speed here, the speed will change also here, and if you change here, it changes there, so they are linked together. And the letter and word modes are now fixed and they should work okay. And when you're typing here, okay, my rig starts running because I think I have CW on there. So if you change the mode on the fly, the cursor gets back again to the typing area, so it's very easy to change the mode during the typing. And also you can drag and drop text to this area, or cut and paste from somewhere else. But there is no buffer overflow check for this CW sending, so don't put very long text with the drag and drop or cut and paste, because you are running over the sending buffer, and then the CV stops or sends something funny. There is no way to check that at the moment, so you have to be careful for dropping very long text. Few words will be okay. And now also you can clear the scene and you can scale the window. It's working now okay, like this. And also with the buttons here, you can scale that too. It works okay. This was broken on before versions. And then there is some new macros. You can see them from help files. X starting macros are for the contest exchange, so XN will send the serial number, XM will send the message, and then there is a serial number with 9 and 0 changed to letters, and then there is a very handy XRS macro which will send the RST plus serial number plus message. But if you don't have serial number or if you don't have message, it will send only the RST report. So you can use this macro for daily working It works okay with the normal QSOs, and it works okay with the contest QSOs too. So you don't have to use any other macro for sending RST and contest messages. So there will be no changes when you work to contest QSOs.